Hello everyone. Welcome to day one of Diksuchi Practical AI Webinar. Am I audible? Yeah. Let's wait for a few minutes to join more people. Let's wait for a few minutes. At 7:10 we can start. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Due to limitless of peoples, we are expanding our registrations. If anyone want to join this webinar without registration, also can join. You can invite your friends and invite your friends by share. I am sharing a meet link. You can invite your friends and let me know. Without registration also can be acceptable. Please share to your friends and ask them to join. Thank you. Hello everyone. Let's start the session. Still anyone wants to join the meet? You can share it with your friends. If needed, I can wait for a few minutes. Or let's get started. వదిలేలా. Welcome to day one of Diksuchi Practical AI Webinar. Today, we are going to experience something completely different. Not just boring theory or not just difficult coding, but the future of learning. You will build your first website using AI and your creativity. No coding experience is needed, just your creativity and AI power. And before going to that, and brief introduction about me. And brief introduction about me. Myself, I am Lokeswara Reddy, and just like many of you, I started my tech journey with curiosity and confusion. I am a full stack developer. I work with Python, and I am also an cybersecurity aspirant. I love exploring how things work behind the scenes. And so today, forget the stress of coding or complicated tech stuff. We are going to learn in a simple and fun and in a practical way using AI and creativity. Let's start session and build something together. Honestly, I am not here as some big professor or expert. I am here as a friend who has been gone through the same struggles like what to learn, where to start, am I doing it right or wrong? And that's the about me. Uh, and that's exactly why we built Diksuchi to help students like us get a clear direction, proper guidance, and a modern way of learning. Before we continue, I want to introduce something special. Yeah, everyone is with me. I need some reactions. And thumbs up. Everyone on with me? Thumbs ups. Everyone on with me? I need your full cooperation. Yeah, thanks. Before we continue, I want to introduce something special. Most of you joined this webinar because you want to learn, grow, and build something meaningful. But I know one thing very clear. Students today don't fail because of talent. They fail because of proper direction. This is why we built Diksuchi, an edtech platform with one mission. Shows the right path to every student, no matter their background. And it is not just another course selling platform. It gives you personalized learning paths, AI powered guidance, and free practical courses with reading content, skill assessment tests, custom roadmap, and etc. And the most exciting part is it's completely free. And because why we are giving it free, you may get doubt. Because every student deserves a chance to learn. We want to build a generation of skilled students who learn smartly, practically. If you believe in this mission, stay connected with us. We are building this platform with students and for students. And from today, your tech journey starts. Before we start, type ready in the chat to get more interactive. Or any reactions, thumbs ups to make this webinar more engaging. Yeah. Now let's start our session today. What we build on day one. You will build your in next 1 hour. You will build and complete portfolio showcase website with AI and your creativity. Tonight, you will show your website to your friends, and by tomorrow, you will publish it into online or internet by deploying. And brief explanation about what we are doing today. I hope all of you know that. If you are on with me, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Before going to that, let's once check mandatory things for today webinar session. Make sure you are connected with a proper internet connection, and I hope you all got an prerequisites mandatory mail and WhatsApp messages. I hope all of you set up those tools and extensions. If not, can you raise your hand who have not completed the mandatory things like installing extensions or installing VS Code? If you have any doubts, you can ask directly. Raise your hand and ask your doubts. I hope all of you install VS Code and GitHub Copilot extension. Give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a dislike. Yeah. Here we are using three tools. One is VS Code, and another one is GitHub Copilot extension, and another one is for idea generation, ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay. Before going to that, let's see before building, let's see some modern portfolio websites for your reference. Yeah, I'm sharing my. Am I audible correctly? Is there any disturbance? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you can see here and for your reference portfolio website from Dribble. Dribble is a platform where you can see UI designs and inspire from this and take as a reference and you can build from it. This is one and this is another one and this is another one. Yeah, these all are portfolios built by AI. You are shocked, I think. And before that, let me, we don't code like this manually for our today's webinar. AI will help you. Your job is to think like a designer who thinks with creativity and innovation. Are you everyone on with me? Basically, you understand what is portfolio? Yeah, all clear. Everyone understand what is portfolio? Yeah. Now let's see and understanding website structure. Every website is made up of simple blocks like hero section, about me, skills, projects. As I shown before you in portfolio references, there you can see first here, this is called hero section and the above section is called navbar and this is called about section and another section is called contact in the sites, projects and like this the whole website will be called as in blocks. Like this we are thinking and designing the website. The most important thing is if you can think in blocks, AI can build your website for you. Today we will generate content for each block using AI. Is everyone understood website structure? Yeah. Now it's time for ideas content generation. Yeah. Now all of you open ChatGPT or Gemini. I will paste you three prompts in chat. Use those. Yeah, wait a minute. I'm also opening my ChatGPT. Yeah. First prompt is all about layouts. Yeah, this prompt is telling about generate and three unique modern layout ideas for a personal portfolio website, and it describes structure and key elements and visual style for each. After this, I hope everyone understand the layouts prompt. Is everyone on with me? All of you copied first prompt and pasted it on ChatGPT or Gemini. I need a response, guys. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask. Not just like I'm saying, just like that. If you have any doubts, you can ask me directly. I'm raising hand. Yeah. After pasting the prompt in ChatGPT, you will get an three types of elements. In that, your desired one, choose. As you can see here in my ChatGPT, after pasting the prompt, I got an three layout ideas. First one is split screen narrative layout. It tells you an horizontal section with this structure: hero, about, and work showcase, contact. And another one is card based modular dashboard, like command center, like as you know, in MacBook and command center, like it will be UI like that. And vertical timeline storybook, it is like an illustrated, like start the journey, and some illustrations will be available in this layout. Like this, based on the your response, which is best for you, choose that response and copy it into notepad, and empty notepad for using later. Here I am using vertical, no, I am using first one, split screen narrative layout. Yeah, once again I am telling, generate three unique cube, and after copying this in chat, you will get, after copying the split screen narrative layout. And for new joiners, if you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask. Raise your hand if needed. After copying this prompt in a notepad, and next use second prompt, which is about me. In this, after the prompt, you can add like what's your occupation, or what's your education, what you are studying, and add a placeholder like what about you. And according to that, yeah, it will be give you about me section. I hope all of you understand. Here I am giving, my name is Lokeswar, and I am from Chittoor. and I am a full stack developer. And Python programmer. And after giving this, it gives you a response about you, like about me section, as you can see here. Now after getting this, copy this and paste it into Notepad for your reference for later usage. I hope everyone is using prompts correctly. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hands. If not, give me a thumbs up that you are doing well. Is everyone doing charge? Is anyone, what the age idea generation you are using, ChatGPT or Gemini? Text me in chat. Please respond everyone. Are you using ChatGPT or Gemini? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. After copying about me section and copy another prompt, color palette. This is very important. The layout section and the color palette is mainly important for generation, as you can see here. The color palette. If you have any ideas like designing things, you can add the colors names also here. As of now, I'm declaring a colors like gold, charcoal, gray. These colors in dark theme I have mentioned. According to that, it gives me a color palette for later usage. As you can see here, it specified given me a color palette code and for which it will be used. You can use like that. As you can see here. I hope everyone are using the same prompt. If you have any doubts about color palette, you can ask. Raise your hand and I can help you. Yeah. Now, everyone copied 3 prompts and responses. Is everyone done? Yeah, that's good. Now, let's move into deeper. As you can see here, color palette. Yeah, you can see here, this is called color palette. You will get an examples like this. And after that, an introduction about GitHub Copilot. Now comes the magic. GitHub Copilot is like an developer friend inside a VS Code. Copilot does not replace programmers. It replaces boring work like starter code or boilerplates. Let me introduce, okay. Before that, let me show you one video about AI and future of AI and the future of web design by Sundar Pichai, Google CEO.
What would you tell me if I tell you as a programmer, as a software developer, that I'm
Is it
afraid
audible?
that AI will maybe replace my job someday?
Yeah.
Look, I can tell you from our Google's own experience, we've been deploying AI to help our engineers, and we are continuing to hire engineers, right? I think because It will enable us to do more as a company. But I think if you're a developer, you get to spend more of your time on the problem solving, on the creative, on architecting. And once these tools get even better, there are things which you know how to do, but it's going to just take a long time to do it. Think about in web design the amount of time you've spent dealing with CSS or something like that. Just having these programs do that mundane work for you, and then you being able to edit it the way you want it. I think it just allows all of us to be more creative, right? What would you
Yeah, I hope everyone understand the video. Let me review about that video. That video is simply that Sundar Pichai is telling about. Don't waste your time on boring things or simply on burden things. Use your creativity or thinking on more interactive and designing part. The code will anywhere the AI will give you, and but you need to focus on design and the creativity levels. AI replaces your the AI might be replace any programmer, but not your identity or not your thinking capability. Because with your creativity or your thinking only, AI will work. Without your thinking or uh, creativity, the accurate results won't be appear. I hope everyone understood. Now, let me introduce and GitHub student pack. GitHub student developer pack. Yeah, this especially is for students. GitHub Copilot student developer pack. It will gives you GitHub Copilot Premium free for free, Canva Pro, Domain, MongoDB, MongoDB, and JetBrains, Bootstrap Studio, and etc. Total worth of 3 lakhs for free. Just with your college ID card, and email. Everyone should activate this later. If you have any differences in activating GitHub Student Developer Pack, can reach out us via mail or in WhatsApp group. We can help you to apply for it in after the webinar. Our team will contact you. Everyone understood what is GitHub Copilot and GitHub Student Developer Pack? Is everyone on with me? Yeah. Now let's start building personal portfolio. Now, before going to that, create an folder named portfolio in your desktop. Everyone on with me? I hope my screen is visible. Yeah, you can see here I have created a new portfolio, new folder. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I hope everyone created a folder in your desired path. I have created my portfolio folder in desktop and open it in VS Code. After opening, give me a thumbs up, everyone. Yeah. After opening, create an files names named index.html and styles.css. Create the both files. If you have any doubts in creation files, please raise your hands. I hope everyone installed VS Code and GitHub Copilot extension. If not, please raise your hand. I will guide you through. Is everyone installed VS Code and GitHub Copilot extension? Give me a thumbs up. If not, yeah, that's great. I hope everyone created HTML file and CSS file. Yeah. Now, just type in HTML file that. Wait a second. Type and create a modern personal portfolio website with a hero section. Wait a minute, I will paste you a prompt. Yeah, you can see I have pasted a simple prompt to work with it. And here, after copying the prompt, you can directly click here, generate code. In the here, you can paste your prompt. I hope everyone using correctly. If you have any doubts, you can please raise your hand. I hope this generate code is visible to everyone. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. I hope everyone copied the prompt. If everyone copied, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. After that, select your model as you decide if you know, or otherwise just go with GPT-5 mini. Is GPT-5 mini is visible to everyone? Give me a thumbs up if visible. If not, give me a dislike. Is GPT-5 mini is visible to everyone? Yeah. If not, yeah, okay. Yeah. Choose a model name. And after that, click on send button. And the AI will generate you an complete after thinking and complete code, as you can see here. it is firstly starting its servers because it's on new PC, and on your also it takes from like 1 to 2 minutes. Wait for a few minutes. After activating it, it first reads your index.html, and after that it reads your styles.css, and according to that it gives you a code, as you can see here. For everyone it is generating. If you have any doubts, if not generating, please let me know. For everyone it is working. If not, let me know. To generate complete website, it takes you 2 to 3 minutes. And after, in 5 minutes, you will get your portfolio website by your code. And later on, it and update. Nothing I have given here. I have just given here and complete portfolio website with the sections named, as you can see. As you can see here, it is giving the responses as a placeholders. We will update with our own data later. For everyone it is working. If not, tell me. Raise your hand. See, I have just told that create a modern portfolio with these sections. I explained the names of just names. It completely giving me a complete without asking me what to do, what not, next what. Completely, it is completing the complete portfolio website. Now, after here, you can click on accept. After clicking on accept, it copy into your index.html. Now I have accepted. Now this is your index.html code for your portfolio. Now let's redefine this. As you can see here, in search bar opposite and toggle chat option will be available. Here your agent will be available for VS Code for GitHub Copilot. I hope everyone is visible for this agent. If not, please raise your hand. I hope everyone is on with me. For everyone, the agent mode is visible. Yeah. Now, in that agent mode, before we can first type a prompt like divide the index.html, separate styling in external CSS. I hope everyone understood this. I am saying like this styles div. This is called an div. This div should be given in styles.css. In index.html only it has given. Even it works, but we need a clean file. So I am saying to divide it in two types, two files, and I am hitting the enter. It is working on it, and first it reads your index.html, and after that it reads your styles.css, and after that it works on the work, the task we give. I hope everyone dividing the styles.css separately. It takes a few minutes. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it has gotten response like all CSS styles has been moved from style tag to index style tag in index.html to external CSS file, as you can see here. Now I am clicking on keep. Now both files have been separated. Yeah, damn it. My code has been corrupted. If you got and corrupted the code, tell me once. Check the index.html and fix the issues. The prompting is all about telling to do something to your friend, as you can see here. Yeah, I have removed my styles.css separately, and after that, add this style code. Yeah, give me it. Yeah, you can see here. You need to add this line to get this styles.css into index.html. I hope everyone linked the HTML and CSS. If not, please raise your hand. I will help you. Is everyone with me? Yeah, that's good. Now the styles.css has been separated. Now let's check how the website is visible. For that, for going for preview, in open the extensions from sidebar and click on live server. Search for live server. And the first one you get by Ritvik Day. This is the live server we are going to use now. Install this. For me, I have already installed. That's why it is not showing install. If you have not installed, it shows you install button. Please install it. Is everyone installed? If everyone install, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any doubts while installing live server, you can please raise your hand. Yeah, that's good. Now let's after installing live server, we can see bottom go live button. After going to index.html file, open index.html from folder. On that, click on go live. After it starts the server and opens your website in browser. As you can see here, I have just given a prompt. It gave me a complete website based on my layout, as you can see here. Now, this is what we build with just one prompt. Before, you have copied another like color palette and layouts. Now we are going to use those. Now first, copy your layout response and paste it in the Copilot chart. It updates your portfolio in that layout, as you can see here for me. I hope everyone understood. Yeah, you can see here, it is reading index.html. It gives me a plan for new layout and features. If I agree with this, I just say yes. And yes, build complete, build according to the layout. Otherwise, just click on yes. After it starts your the coding work. As you can see here, after pasting in prompt, you can see here the to-dos has been created. I hope for you also the to-dos has been created. If not, no problem, don't worry, it works. If the AI is not generating your prompt, tell me. Yeah, as you can see here, it is completed hero section with dynamic split screen, with video animation and animated text. And next, I am saying continue and complete all. After this, it completes all your needed portfolio sections, and after that, it works. Let's wait for a few minutes while designing it. I hope everyone understood. Is everyone doing it correctly? Yeah, that's good. If you have any doubts, please raise your hand and I can ask. You can see here it is updating my index.html. Yeah, it takes to build complete portfolio. I think around 2 to 3 minutes. Let's wait for it. I hope you also doing it correctly. Is everyone completed the creation of portfolio website? Raise your hand if anyone completed. If anyone completed, let me know. Two. Is everyone completed the creation of portfolio by AI? Can raise hand and share their screen or like their work. Yeah. For me, it is completed. You can see here your portfolio is fully redesigned with cinematic storytelling first layout. As I have mentioned the layout, and now I am clicking on keep. Now let me check how it is looking. Wait a minute, I am sharing the screen. See, as you can see here, I got this portfolio website by AI. Simply, as you can see here, the showcase websites are Glow FX is completely made by AI. I hope most of you know this, but this is what the AI do. As you can see here, the nav bar also in interactive. And after completing this, use your about me section to update the about me section. Yeah. After copying it and top of it, add an update about me text. So it knows that you are going to update about me section, as you can see here. And after that, click on enter. Now it updates your about section with it in the given data. Yeah, as you can see here, I got a response like about me section has been completely updated. If needed any suggestions, let me know. The response I got. Now let's see how the response I got. In about me section, as you can see here, about me, it added with my name and my vision and what about me in my nation. Now let me update my hero section also. I'm simply giving a prompt like update hero section with my name and my skills. As of now, we are giving the skills with my skills and full stack developer and Python programmer. After clicking on enter, it updates your hero section with your name and skills. As you can see here, the hero section of your features with your name and highlights your skills. As you can see here, it is showing my name and my skills. And after that, let us use our color palette. I hope everyone copied the response of color palette. Paste it in the chat. In GitHub Copilot chat, you can get updated with your desired color palette. Yeah, you can see here it is fully working on it. You can see it is completely reading the styles.css and updating it with the color palette we gave. I hope everyone understood what is color palette and how the layout works and what is the website structure in blocks. I hope everyone on with me. If you have any doubts, you can please raise your hand. Yeah, that's good. Is everyone doing color palette updating? Is everyone doing color palette update? Yeah, it is showing that your CSS contains same old color values, gradients like this. Now it is asking me to want to replace those all with your color palette. Asking, I am saying yes. Replace complete design theme with I pasted color palette theme. Due to old models, it is taking some more time. I can use my premium models to showcase you how the normal users will work for. I am using my GPT 4.1 only. If you have any one student developer pack, I suggest you to use the models like Claude Sonnet 4, Sonnet 4.5, Gemini 3, and GPT 5. These are the more uh, heavy task handlers models, which handles more tasks with creativity thinking and gives accurate results according to the prompt. You can see here, install.css, it is updating it line by line. You can see here, it says that your portfolio now uses gold, charcoal, and gray palette throughout the entire design, as I mentioned it. Now let's see how it is works. After clicking on